Hail our beloved homeland, the city of Ilagan. Vista Villavante of the rivers and the streams, shielded by the mountains of Sierra Madre. You are the heart of our noble farmers, the abode of our culture and traditions, the home of loving and gentle people that lives proudly with dignity. You will always be our peaceful home, the cradle of Ilagueños' hope. You shall blossoms, glorious for our visions, as the livable city of Ilagan. God bless the city of Ilagan, the cherished legacy of our forefathers, our home, our land, our beloved homeland, the livable city of Ilagan.